Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to receive incoming emails from a particular person to a folder in Hotmail or Outlook.com. Friends, if you want to organize your incoming emails and want to receive emails from some of your clients or friends directly into a folder, for that first you need to create a folder. So I will click on this new folder and give a name. I give it name Ankit and press enter. Now a new folder is created. Now I need to click on this setting icon and here I need to click on view all Outlook settings. Now here need to click on rules. In rules click on add new rule. Now give a name to your rule. I give it name Ankit messages. Now add a condition. Now as I want to receive incoming emails from one of my email ID directly to a folder, so I will select here from. Now I will enter the email address. Here I can add multiple email address of this person. Now we need to add the action. You can here select move to or copy to. In case of copy to, one copy of email will receive in the inbox and second copy will directly received in the folder. So I will select move to as I want the email directly to go in my selected folder. Now I need to select the folder. Now here I will select my newly created folder by the name of Ankit. After entering details, click on save. Now our rule is applied. Now I will send an email from my email address. Now I am sending the email. Now I will check whether my setting is applied or not. Now we will check our folder whether we have received the email or not. Now it is showing one message. Now friends, as you can see, we have received the email, testing email. So friends, like this you can very easily receive email from a person directly to a folder in your email account. I hope you find this video useful.
If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.